Welcome back to my battle map tutorial series. This is just a quick tutorial or walkthrough. I'm actually not responsible for the tutorial. The tutorial is by Anderson Luiz, and basically we use this brush that we're going to create in one of my my grass shadow overlay tutorial. So basically just going to walk through this tutorial. Here's the URL. I will post it in the text below the video, so you can just click on it, but basically we're just going to go through this tutorial to create this brush, which allows us to create, a grass effect. So first thing we want to do is we're going to create a new image, which is going to be 350 by 460. 350 by 460, 72 resolution. Okay, and then we're going to go to our ellipse tool. Okay, we're actually going to make sure we're filling with black. Okay, it's a shape, and we're just going to go down and go like that. Okay, and you can actually create the close that off or leave it, I guess. So then we're going to go to our pen tool and convert to point, and we're going to convert to the 2 points, okay, which allows us to do that. And then we're going to save this as define a brush preset. Let's call it grass blade, or whatever name you want to, I guess it is. Okay, next we're going to go to the brush presets. Okay, where did that go? Okay, so this is the brush preset we just created. So if we double click on that, it's again grass blade. Okay, and we want to go to the properties. Nope, that's not it. Here it is. Go to the brush once we have it selected, and we're going to give it a size of 27. Okay, and unchecked, zero angle. Okay, roundness 100%, and spacing we're going to set to 130%. Okay, then we are going to go down to shape dynamics. Okay, we want a jitter of 32 or approximate. You can adjust it slightly as you want. Control is off. Minimum diameter is 7%. Okay, and then we're going to go to angle jitter of 35%, and you can sort of see us starting to get some hex or cross marks, as you can see down below. Our roundness jitter we're going to set to 26%. Okay, control off. Roundness minimum, or minimum roundness, we're going to set to 100%. Okay, and then flip, Y jitter, and brush are both unchecked. Next we're going to go down to scattering, and scattering we're going to set to 62% or so approximately. You can adjust that as needed. Both axes are unchecked. Control is off, and count we're going to raise to 5. Okay, so now you can see we're sort of getting a grass edge, it looks like, or briar patch, I guess you could also call it. Our count jitter is 100%. Okay, and control off. Now again, I'm just following through the steps of the tutorial. I'm just trying to do a video because it will be part of the other steps. Down we're going to go to color dynamics. Now color dynamics really doesn't do anything, so you can actually skip this test, but I will go through it just per the tutorial. Apply per tip, yes, is checked. Background is 100%. Control is off. Hue is 2. Saturation is 13%. Brightness jitter is 11%, and purified jitter is 1%. I think these values were previously set from my previously time I did that. Okay, and then we're going to go up here and we're going to create a new brush preset, and we're going to call this brush glade. I'll call it 4 because I have created a couple of them in examples and practice in the tutorial. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So you can close this down. So as you can see, if we create a new file, let's create one 500 by 500, we can go, and so if you zoom in, you can see the edges of that. So that's how you create the brush tutorial.